I've been working on a video for my channel, helping a friend with his new room. We've been going back and forth on materials, colors and furniture, so having the right tools to organize everything has been a lifesaver. Luckily, I had Blueberry.ai, which I've been using lately to help me organize everything in some of my projects. I've lost count of how often I've struggled to find the right 3D asset in a cluttered project folder, slow file transfers, duplicate models, and deorganized libraries. Whether you are into architectural visualization, game development, managing 3D assets can be a really headache and take a ton of time and money. Hey, what's up guys, Nuno here. And today I'll walk you through Blueberry.ai, a tool to manage your 3D assets easier. Blueberry.ai is mostly designed for teams handling complex 3D projects. For example, if you work in game development or architectural visualization, this platform helps you streamline your workflow and keep your assets organized. But what exactly does it solve? And how can it also help me in my projects? As I said, managing 3D assets can be a nightmare with disorganized files, endless search times, and slow transfers. Blueberry.ai simplifies everything with AI-powered search, real-time previews, and even integration with tools like Blender, 3ds Max, or Maya. You can open files directly in Photoshop or even in game engines like Unreal Engine, facilitating a smooth workflow for everyone. Plus, it eliminates the need for expensive software by allowing direct browser-based 3D previews. This, I found out, can be really useful when sharing files with clients or team members who don't have specialized 3D software. Blueberry.ai comes packed with key features designed to keep your workflow organized and efficient. Sending a high-poly model takes just seconds, and sharing an entire folder with my team was just as easy. It's much faster than traditional cloud storage, and we can track edits in real time without any hassle. With Blueberry.ai, you can preview, open, and compare multiple file types, all in one place. It supports over 100 formats, including 3ds Max, Maya, Blender, OBJ, and FBX, all viewable straight from your browser. No need for specialized software, just zoom and rotate, and you can explore every detail with ease. You can combine multiple 3D files in one workspace and compare them side by side. You also have blockchain activity logs, multi-level permissions, and flexible cloud or local hosting. We can restrict access to only selected users and review past modifications in the blockchain log. Now let's take a deeper dive. I'll walk you through a complete workflow, from uploading and tagging to previewing, editing, and sharing some 3D models. So like I said at the beginning, I've been using Blueberry to keep all the files from this bedroom/office project organized and accessible. I also use it to share the models with my friend, in this case the client, so we could follow along easily. Even as a non-technical user with no 3D software, he was able to open the models, explore different colors and materials, and give feedback directly in the comments. All this with just a web browser. So to start, let's upload a folder. You can see on the left side of the screen I have my folder named Room Video created, and I've already uploaded some files to it. To upload more files, select the folder where you want to upload, click on the upload icon and choose your file or folder. The files will upload and a preview of those files will be generated. Once done, you can at any time select the folder permissions or share it with someone. As soon as the file is uploaded, Blueberry.ai will analyze and generate smart tags. These tags allows you to filter and search assets efficiently. Let's use the filter option to find all office-related assets. You can see the tags that were automatically generated and how helpful they are to help you find and manage your files. Also, you can, for example, click Expand Filter and select only 3D models, and just with one click, all 3D files in the folder are displayed. You can also search for 3D models by uploading an image, just upload a reference, and Blueberry.ai will find visual similar assets, making it easier to locate the right files. Double-click on the file to open a real-time 3D preview. Here you can rotate, zoom, and inspect details without additional software. Let's, for example, activate the wireframe mode and check the UVs. But you can also change materials, play animations as well as many other tools to explore. To share the model with the team or the client, simply click Share and set viewing or editing permissions. They will be able to leave comments directly on the asset, streamlining feedback cycles. You can also add a watermark automatically for your safety when sharing files, for example with your clients. Once edits are complete, you can export in multiple file formats or integrate directly with tools like 3ds Max, Blender or Maya. This ensures a seamless transition to the next stage in production. So after this, what are the core benefits of using Blueberry AI? I found out you get real-world advantages that directly impact your workflow. You can work easily across teams and external partners, share your models in seconds and review feedback instantly, get down on unnecessary software licenses and improve workflows. This tool has saved me a lot of time, especially when working with a team. It makes sharing progress much simpler to present your work progress to any client. Of course, some industries like game development will take more benefit from this tool. However, I see real day-to-day applications that can improve the workflow for anyone working with 3D assets. If you work with a lot of 3D assets like I do, give Blueberry AI a try. It's free. You can find the sign-up link in the description below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.